Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making garlic bread twists. Now this is a fun twist, no pun intended, on breadsticks. We're going to be topping a pizza dough breadstick, which I have a recipe for pizza dough. I'll drop a link in the description. We're going to be topping it with a garlic and parm herb topping. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need pizza dough. We have risen this once. We're also going to need half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, and 2 teaspoons of parsley. We're going to set our pizza dough aside, and now we're going to take our Parmesan cheese and all of our other ingredients and combine them all together until thoroughly mixed. And now you can store this in a nice airtight container for several weeks or until the Parmesan cheese goes bad. So check the expiration date on that and make sure you label it, because this is going to give us more than what we need. Now we're going to set this aside and start working on our dough. On a lightly floured working station, you also want to flour your hands. We're going to pull out our pizza dough. Don't worry about the excess oil. We're gonna work this out until a nice rectangle, till it's about 1/4 inch thick. Once we have the rectangle, we're gonna cut this into about 1-inch strips, or till we have 12 of them. I'm gonna use a pizza cutter because it's a little bit easier. Now we're gonna take our dough strips, we're gonna place it over our finger like so, and just start twisting these together. We're gonna pinch the ends together. Just slide it right off your finger, just like that. Now we're gonna place these on a lightly greased baking sheet or one lined with parchment paper. Now we're gonna cover these and place them in a warm area and let them proof for about 30 minutes. Our bread twists have doubled. Now we're gonna place them in a 425-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. All right, our bread twists are looking great. Once they come out, we're gonna brush them with some melted butter. Now you're gonna wanna do this while it's still hot. So we're gonna kind of work quickly. And then we're going to sprinkle on a decent amount of our Parmesan and herb topping across all of them. Oh man, this looks so good. Alright, to serve these, I put them on a plate and throw them dead center on the table. I recommend, if you make this, to double this recipe, because these aren't going to last long. Now let's dig into these while they're still warm. Ooh. Nice pull. Wow, those are really good. The dough is light, fluffy. It's airy from letting it rise. And it's all around just a good dough. Seasoning. The seasoning's what really makes these. The garlic comes through, the other herbs shine, has a nice pop, light freshness to it. These would be great dipped in ranch or marinara. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the outdoors, check out my outdoor channel called the BackwoodzSquad. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.